Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to start a live chat with support on Namecheap. If we need quick help with our domain, hosting, billing, or technical issues, live chat is one of the fastest ways to get assistance. The main reason for using Namecheap's live chat feature is to get real-time support from the customer service team. Instead of waiting for email replies, we can talk directly with a support representative, ask questions, and solve issues more quickly. Now let's see how to start a live chat in Namecheap. First, we open a browser. Once our browser is open, we go to namecheap.com. Then we log into our account. Once we are logged in, there are a few ways to access live chat. One way is to go to the upper left corner and select Contact Us. Here, we see the live chat option. When we are here, we will notice 3 dots. We can start a chat by clicking on this option. Here, we can choose topics related to our concerns. This will lead us to subtopics. We can also access live chat from our dashboard. We will see the option to chat with a live person. We can also click this Chat with Live Person button, which appears anywhere on the site. Even if we click WordPress, the chat option will appear at the bottom of the page for our concerns. Here, we can easily click the live chat to connect with customer support, and they will reply anytime to help us with our concerns. This is how we start a live chat on Namecheap. It's a simple and convenient way to get the help we need.